Imagine a world without the buzzing of bees or the fluttering of butterflies. Picture a field without vibrant wildflowers, their petals closed tight. This is a world without pollinators. It's a world where our plates are emptier, lacking the color and variety of fruits and vegetables we love. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, and even some birds and bats are essential workers in our ecosystem. They are the invisible force behind much of the food we eat and the beautiful landscapes we cherish. Without them, our world would be a much duller and less delicious place. The disappearance of these tiny creatures would have a ripple effect, impacting not only our diets, but also the delicate balance of nature. In the following sections, we'll explore the fascinating world of pollinators, understand the threats they face, and discover how we can all contribute to their survival. Pollination is a crucial process in the life cycle of plants. It's essentially plant reproduction, where pollen grains are transferred from the male part of a flower to the female part, enabling fertilization and the production of seeds and fruits. Think of pollinators as nature's tiny matchmakers. As they visit flowers to collect nectar and pollen for food, they inadvertently carry pollen grains on their bodies. These grains are then deposited onto other flowers, facilitating the miracle of plant reproduction. This simple act of pollination is responsible for the incredible diversity of plants on Earth. It ensures the survival of wildflowers, trees, and countless other plant species that form the foundation of our ecosystems. More importantly for us, it's how we get a vast majority of our fruits, vegetables, and nuts. While bees are often the first pollinators that come to mind, the world of pollination is a diverse one. A remarkable variety of creatures contribute to this crucial process, each with unique characteristics and preferences. Bees, with their fuzzy bodies perfectly designed for pollen collection, are undoubtedly some of the most efficient pollinators. Butterflies, with their delicate wings and long proboscis, are drawn to brightly colored flowers. They gracefully flit from bloom to bloom, playing a vital role in pollination. Hummingbirds, those tiny bundles of energy, are attracted to tubular flowers with their long beaks, hovering mid-air as they feed. And then there are bats, the nocturnal pollinators that are crucial for plants that bloom at night, their furry bodies picking up and depositing pollen. Section 4. Pollination worth more than gold. The economic value of pollination is staggering. It's estimated that pollinators are responsible for 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat. Imagine your breakfast table with only coffee and bread. No fruit, no juice. Globally, the contribution of pollinators to agricultural production is worth hundreds of billions of dollars annually. They are essential for crops like coffee, almonds, berries, and countless fruits and vegetables. Without pollinators, our agricultural yields would plummet, leading to increased food prices and potential shortages. The impact would be felt worldwide, highlighting the crucial link between these tiny creatures and global food security. Section 5. The silent crisis. Dangers to our pollinators. Sadly, pollinators around the world are facing a growing number of threats. Habitat loss due to urbanization and intensive agriculture is one of the biggest problems. As natural areas disappear, so do the nesting and foraging sites that pollinators rely on. Pesticides, while intended for crop protection, can have devastating effects on pollinators, poisoning them or disrupting their navigation and foraging abilities. Climate change adds another layer of stress, altering flowering seasons and affecting the delicate balance between plants and their pollinators. The consequences of pollinator decline are far-reaching, impacting not only our food systems but also the health of our ecosystems. Without pollinators, wild plants would struggle to reproduce, leading to a loss of biodiversity and impacting the animals that depend on those plants for survival. Section 6. Be a friend to pollinators. Simple actions, big impact. Despite these challenges, there is hope. Each of us can play a part in protecting pollinators and ensuring their survival. Even small actions can make a big difference when taken collectively. Planting a variety of flowers in our gardens and balconies can provide valuable food sources for pollinators. Native plants are particularly beneficial as they are adapted to local conditions and support local pollinator populations. Reducing or eliminating pesticide use in our gardens is crucial. Opting for organic gardening methods and exploring natural pest control solutions can help create a safer environment for pollinators. Supporting local beekeepers and buying local honey is another way to contribute to pollinator health. Section 7. Our shared future: protecting pollinators, protecting ourselves. Protecting pollinators is not just an act of environmental conservation, it's an act of self-preservation. Their fate is intertwined with our own. By ensuring the well-being of these tiny creatures, we are safeguarding our food security, preserving the beauty of our planet, and securing a healthier future for generations to come. Let's create a world where the buzz of bees and the fluttering of butterflies are not a distant memory but a vibrant reality. Together, let's become champions for pollinators and ensure that these essential creatures continue to play their vital role in our world.